Suppose that m and n are positive integers and that such that 75m equals n cubed. What is the minimum possible value of m plus n? So a couple of things here. The first thing is that the product, that is 75m, it will always end in a 5 or a 0. So the ones place digit will always be a 5 or a 0. So when you look at n cubed, you have to find those numbers whose cubed would give you a 5 or a 0. So then we can get the result. So I will just write it down that the product 75 times n times m must have a 5 or a 0 as its ones digit. So it's only the ones digit we are interested in here, and so the cube of integer n must also end in a 5 or a 0. Okay, so let us look at some of the values of n cubed in m. So we start from 1. So I write n cubed and 75m. So 1 doesn't work. 1 cube cannot be the answer. 2 cube, no. 3 cube, no, because it has to end in a 5 or a 0. So 4 cubed, no. 5 cubed equals 5 times 5 times 5, and that equals 125. So, and 75 times 2 equals 150. That's the closest. So to 125. So it doesn't match. So it's not a possibility. So this won't work. So then we have 6 cube, which won't work. 7 cube, which ends in a 9 times 9, 81. No, sorry, 9 times 7, 63, ends in a 3. And then 8 cube will not work, no 5, no 0. Then again, if I continue, n cubed and 75m. So 9 cube, no. 10 cube will give you 1000. And the closest you get with 75 is 75 times 13, and that is 975. So that is still not equal. So we can rule out 10 cube. 11 cube, not a possibility. One's digit is 1. 12 cube, no. 13 cube, no. Then 14 cube again, and no. 15 cube, what does this give us? It gives us 15 times 15 is 225, times 15 is 3375. Now we can see that this is a multiple of 75. So 75 times 45 will give you 3375. So therefore We found m and n. So m equals 45 and n equals 15. So we have to find m plus n, and that equals 45 plus 15, and that equals 60. So the answer is 60.